Former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque appeared before the Senate Committee on Women's probe into the proliferation of Philippine offshore gaming operators in the country on Monday. Roque is the latest addition to the growing list of resource persons invited to the Senate's probe. Before the proceedings, the former cabinet official told Inquirer.net in a text message that he plans to reveal just the truth surrounding Pogos, but Roque did not elaborate further. During the hearing, Roque denied owning the house in Tuba, Benguet, where two foreign nationals said to be working for a Pogo were apprehended on Saturday. According to Roque, the house is registered under a corporation and is being rented by a Chinese national Wang Yun since January 2024.
Ang bahay po na tinutukoy nyo sa Tuba, Benguet ay rehistrado sa isang korporasyon. Tiniran ko po yan nung ako po'y umalis ng gobyerno, and I do have an interest in the corporation that owns it. No? Pero wala po sa akin ang possession ng bahay na yan. Dahil as of January of 2024, yan po'y pinaupahan ng korporasyon at ang umuupa po ay isang Wang Yun na isang Chinese national na siya po ay pumirma sa contract of lease ay require siya na magpakita ng alien certificate of registration at lumalabas po na siya ay holder ng isang 9G working visa, meaning she has a right to be in the Philippines.
Roque's name was tagged into the Pogo mess after Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation Chief Alejandro Tenco mentioned his name as an alleged lawyer of offshore gaming operator Lucky South 99. However, Roque denied that he was a lawyer of Lucky South 99. He clarified that his client was Whirlwind Corporation, a service provider to Lucky South 99, which was then a holder of a valid license from PAGCOR.